Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. Now, Nomura Singapore, which is one of the world's premier financial institutions, has bought 35 lakh shares of a penny stock at Rs 14 on the NSE. They also bought an equivalent amount on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Here we are classifying a penny stock as one where the price is less than Rs 15 and the market capitalization is less than Rs 500 crores. Also, for those of you who do not know Nomura, it is one of the largest global investment banks, and their entry into this particular stock builds a very solid case for investment as far as this penny stock is concerned. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Vikas Ecotech Limited, which is available at Rs 14, and here the face value is 1. Nomura's buying price in this particular stock is Rs 14. The symbol for it is VIKAS ECO. Now Vikas Ecotech Limited is an India-based company engaged in the business of manufacturing and distribution of specialty polymer compounds and additives. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company was on an uptrend for the first few weeks of the year, but since then has had a brutal fall. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 391.86 crores. The EPS of 0.76 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 18.42, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 19.43. The book value of 5.71 also translates into a reasonable price to book ratio of 2.45. The dividend yield is 0.36%, whereas the promoter holding is a below average figure at 40.07%. The company has a debt to equity of 0.9093, whereas the return on equity is 0.1302. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.